In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a text box in Canva. If you're working on a design in Canva and you want to reuse a heading, caption, label, or any other piece of text without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating a text box is one of the easiest and fastest things you can do. It helps you keep your design consistent, and it can save a lot of time when you're creating layouts with repeated text elements. To begin, open your Canva design and click on the text box you want to duplicate. Make sure the correct text box is selected before moving on. You'll know it's selected when you can see the text box outline and the editing controls appear around it. This is important because Canva will only duplicate the element you currently have selected. Once the text box is selected, use the keyboard shortcut to create a copy. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and D at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command and D. As soon as you do that, Canva will instantly generate a duplicate of the selected text box. This is usually the quickest method, especially if you're working on multiple repeated elements and want to move efficiently through your design. If you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, Canva also gives you another option. Hover your mouse over the three dots that appear above the text box. When that menu is available, click the duplicate button. This does the exact same thing, so you can choose whichever method feels more comfortable for the way you work. After that, you'll see a copy of the text box appear in your design. In many cases, the duplicated text box may appear very close to the original, so if it looks like nothing changed at first, simply drag it slightly to confirm the copy is there. This is a helpful thing to keep in mind, especially when your original and duplicate have the same text, font, size and color. From there, move the duplicated text box wherever you need it. You can also edit the text, change the formatting, or keep it exactly the same depending on your design goal. This is especially useful when you want matching text styles across different sections of a page or presentation. And that's it. Duplicating a text box in Canva is a simple feature, but it can make your design process much faster and more organized once you start using it regularly.